In the business report, several notable companies have declared dividends which form passive income for investors. Express Catering Limited has declared a dividend per share payable on October 31, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 20, 2024. Mayberry Group Limited has declared a dividend of 0.125 per share payable on August 30, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 16, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 16, 2024. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that a meeting of its board of directors to be held on August 13, an interim dividend payment will be considered then. Time now for the latest market updates with Denise Williams.
During trading for period of August 7, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The following companies represent the overall volume leaders. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 3,675,772 units represent 23.6% of the market value in terms of sales. PVC pipe manufacturer Omni Industries Limited with 2,170,393 units representing 13.93% of the market value in terms of sales. Gas station and automotive fluid distributor Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 1,627,087 units representing 10.44% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On August 7, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $136.33 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $115.12 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.81 and bought US dollars for $155.73. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.08, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.33 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $113.79 and bought for $112.46. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.77, selling it for $201.46 and buying it for $199.09. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to put the spotlight on the impact of unemployment on your credit and give suggestions on how to rebuild. Okay? So what we're looking at now is using credit responsibly. So consider applying for a secured credit card if you can't qualify for a traditional one, and keep your credit utilization low, meaning don't spend more than 30% of your limit. Also consider a credit builder loan. These small loans from credit unions can help rebuild your credit. The money is held in a bank account while you make payments, and you receive the funds once the loan is paid off.